plant bomb right now. They're all inner. Stop running, guy. Purple guy. Fuck.
That's me.
No, dude, why are you running, dude? Right in front of us.
Two.
God damn it, I died above you. Fuck you, Greek. Stop running around. One's in Z. One more, Greek. Get him. Oh my god. Somehow it worked out.
Alright, Mo. First one to get a knife gets my unconditional love.
Nah, dude. Knives are they're probably possible in silver. Well, we ranked up now, so it's...
What's this? Remember when this used to be OP? The CZ. Remember everybody used to use it?
Yeah, it was insane. That's my song. You hear it? That's my MVP song. I dance sometimes to it. Yeah, you dance too? That's my song. I'm a knife in this guy. Oh shit. My dev, what the hell?
Stop overusing witch out.
2. Fuck me, dude. I messed up. 2 and Z.
Yeah, this is an 18+ game. What the hell are you doing on here?
He is young, huh? 293 hours on record. This guy might actually be cheating.
Oh my god.
Yeah, should I go for the knife? Oh my god, come on, guys. Rush outside. Come plant the bomb. Why are you guys doing back halls? Go to the site. So you never moved?
Nah, mate.
What? Hella saving money, dude.
I'm not saving money. I just no need to move. I'm chilling right now.
You're not saving any of your money? Shit.
I'm actually so happy. Fuck! There we go.
He's
Saved.
right in front of me. One's Ivy. Let me knife Ivy. Stop.
God. I think I'm just speeding.
Got him. I got the knife.
Yo, Mo, do you know I get no subs now? I have to beg for subs.
Yeah, same, dude. Honestly, I've been. I think I'm the. First off, I'm at 360 subs, so I'm on another level right now. But I'm the guy. Oh my god. I'm the guy that's hit 1,000 subs and lost it more than any other streamer on the planet. I sort out. Usually, when you're over 1,000, you stay over 1,000 your whole career. I've literally went back and forth forever.
No, Mitch Jones would have beaten you on that one.
Who's that?
Exactly.
Переведи ему это.
Okay, somebody's cheating. Somebody's actually cheating.
Bomb. Inner.
Somebody's actually cheating.
Told that.
Go plant the bomb, Subaru. Outside. Plant the bomb, bro. No. Oh my god.
Little cows. Bully GreekGodX. I didn't bully him.
Вы что, про это говорите?
Do you play with HC? Oh no, to the left. I didn't check. My fault.
Nah,
Now he's gonna beat. Nice, Sensei.
Nice.
Where's the bomb?
Kurva.
Shut up, please.
Bomb's
shut
in
the
her.
fuck up.
God damn, he's above ladder. Who dropped bomb?
Wait.
Cheater, you son of a bitch! Stop dropping the bomb! Don't take the bomb with you, you fucking noob! Shut up! They're on the bottom there, 2 of them. Yep, one there in the distance to them. Nice one closer to you, under you probably. Oh no!
That would have been sick, wouldn't it?
That would have been. Oh my god, dude! I would have been so hard right there.
Mo, what's it like just being married? Like, what's it like? Is it nice?
Yeah. Love you, babe.
What's it like? Is it so you're basically dedicated to one woman for the rest of your life? What's sex life? What's sex like with a wife, mate?
It's good. You should have a healthy sex life. We have a Swinger Fridays.
You know,
Come outside. Come outside, you fucking noobs.
Mo, you got a kid. You can't be
We don't
screaming
see,
like that.
she's asleep right now. She doesn't know this part of me. She doesn't even know it's stream. I told her I was a pro soccer player. I told her I was a pro soccer player that got injured. She sees all the jerseys. Yeah, we'd be. Yeah. She thinks I'm a semi-pro soccer player that got injured, and now I'm like sitting at home gaming.
Go B, please.
Come. Let me win this. Move.
Go plant bomb.
It's an ace, baby.
Oh, nice. Be careful.
Oh man, Greek, I told you the rules, bro. Don't take over the bots, man. Save.
Taking it's the worst game of the world.
Pepe hands, boys. He's depressed.
Off the wall. Yep. He's on it, bro. Bro, you didn't plant for that spot, really, bro. You should have went. Never mind. You should have smoked somewhere and hid behind the smoke and waited, man. That's the first time I see you falter under pressure. Inner.
That's actually true, though. Actually.
It's the guy.
BBB.
What are you gonna? Alright guys, we haven't got a donation in about half an hour, so
Same.
we're gonna switch off the stream soon, boys.
Is that how you do it too?
Is that how you do it too? What do you mean? I was joking.
Where are they?
Short.
Short?
One.
What's short?
Short, yes.
Mo's funny. Yeah, Mo's very underrated.
I used to be more popular than all these guys, just so people know.
Yeah.
The old school Twitch knows who I am. New school doesn't like me
course.
because I'm a
You-
quote unquote bully. Apparently.
Yeah.
After my ban, it's all gone downhill for me, bro. You're gonna.
That's me.
Oh my god.
He's
You're looking
cheating.
right at his head. You son of a
His
bitch.
name's. He's cheating. Look, his name's Greek. You bully.
This guy's in the worst spot. If he misses the shot, he's dead. So let's hope for the best. Why did he turn around? He just started getting shot from there. Oh no, I told you. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Nice job, man. Nice spot. Great everything. You did everything right there. I don't know how he won that round.
Do you think Shroud's good at aiming because he doesn't masturbate?
I know he masturbates. For a fact. I seen him. When I used to live with him.
What type of porn do you think Shroud likes?
Black on blondes. I can't hit him. Greek, go back. Pistol. I think he's lagged. We used to be on a. We were at the same LAN once, and he just didn't know that someone else was in the room. I heard heavier breathing than normal.
Wait, why were you in the same room as him, dude?
I was visiting. No, I'll tell you something about Shroud though. He has a big ass, dude. Have you seen his ass? He actually has a huge ass. It's crazy.
What do you mean?
Have you ever seen him get up? His whole chat spam's thick.
Is he really that thick?
Oh. Talking thickness on a whole other scale. Inner.
I wish my chat spam thick, but they just sound fat. Yo, Andy, you know who Andy Milanakis is?
Milanakis, yeah.
Yeah, he's in my chat right now.
That's cool, dude. I used to be a big fan of his back when he had a show on MTV.
Oh shit, you're that old?
Yeah, dude, I used to watch that shit.
Used to be. Wait, he says used to be. Like, you used to be his fan. You're not a fan anymore. He streams on Twitch.
No, I haven't really watched much of the newer stuff. I've seen some of the streams, not bad. I just don't really watch any like IRL streams. I don't know why.
If you see him sitting on like a chair or something, he's sponsored. Sorry, Andy, I had to, mate.
Close to me.
You literally do like.
Who's more popular, you or Andy, in IRL streaming?
Andy.
I've tried. You know what's weird?
Andy. Yeah, go on.
The only time I get viewers now, ever, is if I IRL stream, but I've only done it like 3 times in my life. I can't do it, but everyone watches me only if I'm walking around doing absolutely nothing.
Oh my fucking god, why would you fucking peek me there? Why would you
I'll eventually got him for you.
Nice.
Is bomb down? Bomb's down somewhere. He's middle.
Nice guys. Thank you.
We're talking about How much money did I make and lose? Because I never pulled it out. Over 2 million.
2 mil?
Yeah, yeah. I lost, but I don't have. I lost it because I never pulled out. The worst part is when I sold 1,000 bitcoins for $300 a pop. That's the worst one.
You're not very. So let's just say you're not very good at pulling out.
Yep. Never have been. Have a baby. No, he's not there. Where?
What? Dude, what are you? Some sort of assassin?
Calm down.
Good job, man. Oh, Mo, you're insane. Mo, you are insane.
Are we back? 48. Almost 50.
My